Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shahira binti Rosli from Group CS 2486B1. The title of my final year project is Examining the Performance of Sharia-Compliant Companies in Healthcare Sector Using Risk-Adjusted Measurement. In this short video, I will explain about Chapter 4, which is Result and Discussion. In the risk-adjusted measurements, companies that obtain higher ratio shows the better performance. After risk-adjusted measurements have been implemented in the study, the results shows that the companies in the healthcare sector obtain different ranking for each ratio. For sharp ratio, the top 3 companies are Supermax Corporation Berhad, Top Glove Corporation Berhad, and Apex Healthcare Berhad. Next, the top 3 companies for Treno ratio are Top Glove Corporation Berhad, Supermax Corporation Berhad, and Harta Lega Holdings Berhad. Then, for Sortino ratio, the top 3 companies are Supermax Corporation Berhad, Top Glove Corporation Berhad, and Harta Lega Holdings Berhad. In addition, based on the results obtained, we can see that most of the companies calculated by using Treno ratio have similar ranking when it is being calculated by using Sortino ratio. For example, Aventa Berhad was ranked on number 5 in the Treno ratio and also Sortino ratio. However, 4 out of 12 companies have different ranking in Treno and Sortino ratios. The companies are Apex Healthcare Berhad, Pharmaniaga Berhad, Supermax Corporation Berhad, and Top Glove Corporation Berhad. Next, FTSE Malaysia Emas Syariah Index also been calculated by using Sharp, Treno, and Sortino ratios. The results obtained are negative 0.9241 for Sharp ratio, negative 0.0315 for Sortino ratio, and negative 0.99 for Sortino ratio. Based on the overall performance, 12 companies under the healthcare sector outperform the FTSE Malaysia Emas Syariah Index in Sharp ratio. For Treno ratio, 10 companies outperform FTSE Malaysia Emas Syariah Index, while 2 companies underperform the FTSE Malaysia Emas Syariah Index. For Sortino ratio, 11 companies outperform FTSE Malaysia Emas Syariah Index, and only 1 company that is underperform the FTSE Malaysia Emas Syariah Index. Last but not least, I will explain about the validation of the results. Since the ranking for the top 3 of the companies are different in each ratio, thus, we validate the results by using Spearman rank correlation coefficient. The value for correlation between Sharp and Treno ratios is 0.88811. Meanwhile, the value of correlation between Sharp and Sortino ratios is 0.93007, and the value of correlation between Treno and Sortino ratios is 0.98601. The results obtained shows that these 3 ratios have a very strong correlation between each other. Therefore, since Treno and Sortino ratios have the highest value of correlation and their ranking for each company also quite similar, it can be concluded that Treno and Sortino ratio are the best method in this study in examining the performance of companies. Thank you.